So what's up, guys? So I know I haven't uploaded in a long ass time, but we're here, right?
We're here with the MN Snowstorm. We're gonna go outside and play with Tamas.
Yeah, well, this is gonna be a short little vlog. New updates. We've been playing
Check out the new
Fortnite.
skin.
New skin.
Don't worry, guys. We're working on a PC build coming out soon.
And I just got new shoes.
We both got
I got
some
no
new
Yeezys. You got power phrases. And then like
And then
I just got back home, but it's super bad outside right now. I'm gonna go outside. So we live in Minnesota, and it's super bad outside. There's a super bad snowstorm. Look how deep this shit is. Just look at that. It's so deep. And my dog is over there. Oh shit, it's cold. Come on, come here. So that's my dog over there. Damn, dude, it's super bad. Look how deep that is. Here, go stand over there. Yeah, guys. Super bad outside right now. The roads are pretty bad too. There's a lot of crashes, man. God. It's been snowing since like 6 o'clock in the morning and it hasn't stopped yet. And it's like 9 o'clock right now. But I guess they're having fun. You know? But yeah, look. Let me see how deep this shit goes.
It's pretty deep.
It's like almost to my knee. No, not kind of. Barely to my knee. Stop, bro. Yeah. I wanted to do a challenge, like try not to laugh challenge, and whoever loses has to jump in the snow, butt naked. But they don't want to. Well, he doesn't want to because he's such a pussy. But yeah.
Damn.
He wants to play. Play with him, dude. You're supposed to play with him. Look, run as far as you can, dude. Run as far as you can. Yeah, guys. Super bad. Update. We're still outside. And there's a lot of snow. We can't barely do nothing. He's trying to turn the machine off for, I don't know for what. He's just trying to make a big ass mess. Still playing with the dog. I don't know, guys. I don't do a short vlog. I don't know what to do. I'm just trying to stay inside. Super bad, man. But this is a short little vlog or whatever, or a new update. I'll be posting a lot more by next week. I've been working, going to school, you know, regular stuff. But yeah, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Peace out.